Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Deepica. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do that. Please support. I'm trying to get inspired to keep doing this YouTube thing, and the subscriptions help. So I just went to the Lakers game. I got home. It is 1 in the morning, and I am going to film this video. I figure I have to take off my makeup off anyways, and there's some new things that are happening in my skincare routine. Step 1 is remove all the makeup on my face. Y'all know I love innovation, and that's why I liked the makeup remover wipes before Susan Yara told me and yelled at me and said that is a bad thing. And then I went into cleansing oils, and what I love is innovation. Jamie Makeup came out with a makeup remover that is a spray. And to me, I love easy removal of anything. And I feel like this is an innovation. I don't feel like I've seen this before. And I love when people do things differently. Quite honestly, to me, that's what's really cool. A mist makeup remover that she swears is better than anything else on the market. I've used it before and I had really great results. It did take off all my eye makeup. And now I'm just trying to get my water to get hot. So that's what's happening right now. What I look for when I look for makeup wipes, and sorry if it's loud, I have the water on while I do this. Here we are, makeup is removed. And here's what I look for when I do look for cleansing oils or something to take off my makeup, is something that does not burn my eyes, and my eyes burn zero, and something that does not make my face feel dry and is moisturizing, and again, just innovative. And I am just a pro of it. As somebody who has my own beauty company, whenever somebody innovates and does something different, I will always call it out and I will always shout it out. Shout out to Jamie Makeup. I think you can get it on her website for now, but it should be in a retailer soon because honestly, the things she comes out with are really smart. So now that the makeup is removed, I'm gonna go with like cleansing oil and do my double cleanse and do the Tatcha. As you guys know, I love this brand, and this is the deep cleanse, and it has a little bit of, it gives me that like exfoliating. I just love the smell of it. I love how it makes my skin feel. It doesn't strip my skin. I'm curious how y'all feel about any new makeup brands out there. I know Rhode is coming out with their first cleanser. They did not send it to me. They messaged me a few months ago about sending some of their product, and then I didn't hear back from them. I don't judge anything unless I've tried it myself. And I am not an anti-celebrity brand hater by any means at all. I think Rare Beauty and Fenty Beauty have done a phenomenal job building brands. And as someone who's built theirs from scratch for the last 5, almost 6 years, I'm not a celebrity brand hater. And I'm not a hater at all of anything, quite honestly. I'm actually an observer. It's interesting to me as my own brand owner what people like gravitate towards and what press or PR influencers talk about. Now that my face is nice and cleansed at 1 in the morning, I feel like all my eye makeup is off. Whoever's been following me for a very long time knows how much I love the SK2 Essence. I got sent the Monday Born toner. What I like about this brand is, again, when it goes to innovation, I like that this brand has created a really unique drop system. Basically what I mean by that is that they create products by demand. So they open up a drop, and based on the demand, they create the products to preserve supply chain, ingredients, make sure they're really freshly made, and they're not just sitting in a warehouse. And so I thought that concept was really cool and innovative too. And I've switched over recently from SK2 to this, but I love both. And now for my serum, I am going in with Superhue. You guys know this product. If you don't, it is a great hyperpigmentation serum stick that also helps with overall skin tone, just greatness. Everyone who's ever used it loves it. It is actually a bestseller from our brand, and I love it. And if you have been following the brand, you saw that we most recently launched a vitamin C 15% stick called Superbright, which I feel is the sister to Superhue. And a fun fact that people don't realize, I don't think yet, is that you can layer them. We do recommend that if you use a vitamin C to make sure you use an SPF over it, especially during the day when you go out into the sun. But yes, just a reminder, they can and are encouraged to be layered. Now I'm going in with my eye cream. I love ours. It is an incredible price point. I love the cooling tip applicator. A little bit draining all around. It's soothing. I feel zen. It has all the good ingredients in it. It also has a little bit of a color, so it acts like a little bit of a corrector. Hands down my favorite moisturizer from Dieux. I think that they are, again, I'm all about people who are, I don't care if you're an influencer, celebrity, or somebody from the middle of nowhere America building a brand. I love when people do things great. And Dieux is doing things great. Their product development team comes from SkinCeuticals, which is amazing. And Charlotte herself, who's the other founder, is an esthetician. And then Marta, the other founder, is a really great marketer. So all three of them together is like a rock star team. So like Dr. Joy Ceramidin was really impressive to me. It left my skin soft and supple and amazing. And then this is my next most impressive since then. I feel like I've tried a lot that have come out recently, and there's just, it's special. I'm telling you, it is special. And then to finish it off, I love a good lip balm. I don't know about y'all, but I miss our Unity balm. Oh, this baby was so lovely. I miss it. I still have some of them, but we really wanted to update the packaging because as beautiful as it is, and I think it's so true to the brand, I love that you can squeeze every little bit out of it. I love the copper tube. All the things that made me just fall in love with it. I love it from a brand identity perspective. We're trying to figure out what's right for us. You know, like I never like to follow trends. I like to quite honestly set trends or just do at least what's authentic to us. And this packaging was really authentic to us. So if we do redevelop it, we wanted to do it right. So that's why it hasn't been back out yet. This one from Monday Born, it has a tint to it, which is interesting. Like when it comes out of the packaging, it has like a little bit of tint. Sorry, my lip is a little peeled, as you can see right there. But I love it. They call it a day to night mask. I don't know what's in it, but I love it. You can just see that The key thing I look for a night mask is something that does not dry out my lips. Also, I like to layer and end my routine with the Summer Friday oil. Literally every skincare product we've ever come out with, we've worked with the dermatologist. And I tried to find a way to make it accessible for the everyday person. Take the leftover and rub my hands. And that's it. That is my unready with me routine. I mean, not really. Then I would go to my bed and we'd have some magnesium and drink a bunch of water, journal, but it is 1 a.m. So probably none of those things are gonna happen except for the magnesium. What do y'all think? Isn't it looking good these days? I really feel proud. I feel like I'm taking care of it. Minus this eczema flare-up that happens at the corner of my eye, and you can tell in my videos. I also have another one right here. Do y'all see that? So I would love to end this video with y'all telling me what is the skincare product that you guys are loving, and let's focus on innovation because that's really something in this new journey of me. It's not just about what I like. It's as a brand founder myself, I really want to encourage this industry to be more innovative. Let me know in the comments below. And until next time, subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time. Bye.